Need help installing the software for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4301fdw? In the next few minutes, I'll show you the fastest way to download, install, and connect your printer on Windows or Mac. Before we begin, make sure your printer is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. If you're using a USB cable, keep it unplugged until the installer asks you to connect it. Open your web browser and visit the official HP support website. Search for HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4301fdw, then open the Software and Drivers page. Select your operating system if it isn't detected automatically, and download the full-feature software or HP Easy Start installer. Once the download finishes, open the installer and click Next. Accept the license agreement and then choose your preferred connection method, wireless, Ethernet, or USB. Follow each on-screen instruction until the installation completes. The installer will search for nearby HP printers. Select your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4301fdw from the list and continue. The software will automatically install the required print, scan, and fax drivers for your computer. When installation is complete, print a test page to confirm everything is working correctly. You can also open HP Smart or your scanning software to test the scanner and verify all features are functional. If your printer isn't detected, restart both the printer and your computer. Verify they're connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Temporarily disable your firewall if necessary, and rerun the HP installer. Installing the latest HP drivers usually resolves most setup issues. That's it! Your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4301fdw should now be ready for printing, scanning, and copying. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more printer tutorials, and leave your questions in the comments below.